Hi, friends! Today, let's talk about something that can help you get the things you dream about. The magic of saving. Have you ever wanted to buy something special? Maybe a toy, a new game, or a cool bike. But when you opened your wallet or piggy bank, not enough money. Have been there too. Let me tell you about my friend Bassey and how saving changed everything for him. Meet my friend Bassey. Bassey loves toys like action figures and race cars, and he never says no to a big bag of chips. Every time someone gives him money for his birthday, or when he helps his uncle walk the dog, guess what he does? Yup, he spends all of it. He runs straight to the cake shop and spends it. Gone, all of it. But there is one thing Bassey wants more than anything else in this world: a shiny red bicycle with big tires and a loud bell. It's his dream bike. He saw it in the shop and fell in love with it. But here's the thing. Bassey never has enough money to buy it. Because every time he gets a little money, he spends it all on candy and cakes. Have you ever done that? Spend all your money on snacks or small stuff, even though you were saving for something big. Raise your hand if that's you. Shh, I won't tell, I promise. One day, Bassey walked past the bicycle shop and saw that his dream bike was almost sold out. "No more wasting money," he said. I have to save up. But the very next day, Bassey saw a giant bag of rainbow-colored candy. It was on sale. Can you guess what he did? Yep, he bought the candy. Oh no. Saving sounds easy, but it can be really hard. Especially when fun things are calling your name. But that's when I told Bassey about the saving jars. Saving needs a plan. And I've got a simple one. Yup. All you need are 3 jars. 1, 2, 3. That's it. The first one is the needs jar. That's for important stuff, like school lunch or snacks. The second is the wants jar, and that's for fun stuff, like toys or stickers. And the third one is my favorite. The savings jar is for big dreams, like Bassey's dream bicycle. So, every time you get money, split it into your jars. A little here, a little here, and more here. In the savings jar, if you're working towards a big goal. At first, it felt really slow, like super slow. Bassey was tempted and Candy was still calling his name. But this time he said, "Nope!" and dropped his coins into the savings jar. Every week, Bassey added more to his savings jar. He even did extra chores to earn more coins. First, he helped his neighbor walk her dog. Then, he cleaned his room without being told. And even helped his dad carry groceries. And guess what? After a few months, Bassey opened his savings jar and it was almost full. He counted all his money, and do you know what he had? Enough for the bike! And that's the magic of saving. Small steps, big rewards. Now it's your turn, Super Saver. Pick one thing you really want. It could be a puzzle, a coloring book, or some new shoes. Anything. Then start your very own savings jar. Each week, you add a little money, even coins count. Ask your grown-ups if they can help you create your 3 jars. A little here, and more here. Now track how much you save. Can you reach your goal in 31 days? Oh, you've got this. Okay, it's game time. Let's play a quick game. I will show you an item and you tell me which jar it belongs to. Ready? This is a pizza. Tell me which jar it belongs. Needs or wants? If it's lunch, it's a need. If it's just for fun, it's a want. Next up is a bicycle. Tell me which jar it belongs. It's the savings jar. Right, and it's for a big goal, so it belongs to the savings jar. Tell me, which jar does the school book belong? The needs jar, yes! Finally, we've got the camera. Tell me, does the camera belongs to wants, savings, or needs? It's the savings jar. Yes, you'll use the camera to take beautiful pictures whenever you're out with friends or family. Good job, Super Saver. Okay, friends, let's wrap up what we learned today. Saving helps us reach big goals. The savings jar makes saving easy. Small steps equals big rewards. Now, it's time to start saving and watch your own magic happen. See you next time. Oh, I had so much fun.